access my WWETT Planner. If you already created a planner, log in and skip to step number 4. If you need to create a planner account, simply click Create My Show Account. Update your information and verify you're a human. Then click Create Your Free Account. The next screen is your dashboard, where classes you add will be shown on your planner. To add classes to your planner, click View Sessions in the top menu and search for your sessions. Click the Add to Planner button to add the session to your events. Go back to your dashboard by clicking My Show Planner at the top. Click on the session title to dive deeper. If handouts are available for that session, they will be displayed under the Resources section up top. If you do not see a Resources section, handouts are not available at this time. To view, download, or print the presentation slides, click the links listed under the Resources section. This will open in a new tab. Once the new tab is open and you see the presentation, look in the very top right-hand corner for the print and download buttons.